Hi, it's Dr. Markou. Hope you guys are having a great May so far. So this month I'm going to talk about stress, something different than hair transplants or hair restoration like I promised. Stress is something we all encounter in life, whether it be at work, at school, at home. It's something we all encounter, and I believe that the way we deal with stress is what helps us get through it best. Now, often we can get through stress by taking care of many things in our lives, such as exercise, proper diet, and proper rest. For example, a lot of us who work hard and who go to school, we forget to eat. We forget to eat lunch. Sometimes we eat off hours. I think it's important to be eating regularly and very healthy meals. You want to eat high protein, low fat, low carbs. This is the type of diet that will give you the best energy during the day and help you feel better during the day. Also, make sure you're drinking enough water. Just like a plant needs water, we need water. I often notice if I forget to drink my water during the day, I drag, I get tired. Sometimes I even get a little moody. So make sure you drink your water. Another thing that's really important is sleep. Get proper rest. So many times we go to bed off hours and we wake up early. Remember, your body needs rest. Listen to your body. Get the rest that it needs. And finally, another stress reliever I want to touch on is exercise. Now, this is something that we all say, well, most of us do some exercise now, and that's a great thing. But a lot of us say, oh, I don't have the time, or we have excuses. I say put exercise on your schedule. Put it on your schedule at work. Put it on your school schedule. Schedule in time for yourself to exercise. Exercise is an awesome stress reliever. If I don't play tennis a couple times a week, I'm real cranky. That's never good around here. And also schedule time for yourself to do things that you like to do, whether it's exercise or whether it's like going to a movie or watching a movie at home. So these are all ways that will help you get through the month a lot easier, help you deal with the stress that you can't always control. And if all that's not working and the stress is bringing you down and maybe having an impact in your desire to do things you want to do, having an impact on eating, then maybe you need to get some help and go talk to your doctor. So anyway, hope you find that helpful, and don't lose your hair over stress. Have a great month.